Niall Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube.
Hey, how'd you get in here? Well, you can help me clean up, do a little bit of cleanup. Welcome to the Car Connection Workshop. Your host, Niall Motormouth Jenkins, in the driver's seat as usual. But yeah, I do windows. Wow, this glass is so clean. I can see Niagara Falls from here. Fooled ya. Oh, there is no glass. Well, what in the tarnation's going on here? Well, we're going to tell you, because here's where we're at. Stay where you're at till I come where you're to. I'm going to just clean those headlights off for a minute. I got some cleaner on there. But I'll tell you, that is one clean windshield. Holy smokes. It's a beauty. She's a beauty. I'm telling you, all the pieces on this, I should have just brought the 2006 all the way home instead of pulling the parts off and carting it here from the Americas. Well, here's what happened. So I've got hinges. We're changing the hinges out. I got the black ones from the other Jeep. This will all be cleaned and well painted. The only reason I haven't taken the hinge out, I've left one bolt in there, is because the door is in the hinge. Remove the hinge, then you got to take the door off, and I'm not quite there yet where I need to do that. So I'd rather keep the doors on the Jeep till I'm ready to put the window and the frame back in. So it's an assembly. It's already together. I pulled it out of the Jeep in one piece with the hinges in a scorching hot July, I can tell you that. Here's the original frame. It's not only cracked in the middle, but it's cracked in the middle because my vacuum's here, because I'm going to reuse it. Look at this. It's been leaking for a long time, and somebody has tried to silicone the daylights out of it to try and save it, but the glass broke because the frame is weak. So it right in the middle, that's your answer, the framework. And the framework, I saw them for about $300 or $400. So I mean, if you're wanting to keep it, I mean, you look at the price of Jeeps today. Wait till you see what it cost to put this Jeep together. You're gonna pass out, because a Jeep today is gonna cost you 60 to 74 and up grand. Well, we're going to have a very reliable Jeep when we're done, and everything we fixed so far has been from neglect, lack of maintenance, or absolute stupidity. So we haven't done anything yet that you would not do to your present vehicle. Keep it long enough, there's wear and tear items, period. The aesthetics, if you don't want to look after it, then, you know, Mother Nature will do its nasty to it, and it will look nasty. Just like these fender flares. They look nasty because nobody looked after it. So, you know, we managed to bring these ones back to life. Didn't take me 2 weeks to do it, and thousands of dollars, you know. And this. Why did we rot out the floor on the driver's side? Because the water's pouring in on this side. And everything in the dash, this dash, is all covered in rust because of moisture. Where was it coming from? Bottom of the frame. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. So the water has been hanging around the back of the dash for quite some time, keeping moisture inside the Jeep. So that's how we got to this point. You know, you got to do the maintenance. If you don't want to do the maintenance, then it doesn't matter what vehicle you own. Sooner or later, this stuff starts showing up because of lack of maintenance. And this is a common pattern failure on these Jeeps is the window frame. So what do? Well, that's where, you know what I do? You see these holes here? And these ones here? When this gets rust proofed, I want them to spray into the frame. That's what I want. I want them to spray into the frame. And that way, you know what? We're not going to get this happening here. Because unfortunately, there is water access points. That's why we have drain holes, but they really didn't work. So the best way is to, I will probably, I know I will spray it myself with the corrosion-free product before I install the frame. I'll do it myself so that I know it's done, and it's done right. Spray the frame through here, spray the frame through here, up and through here. And what's great about that product, it travels, and I can show you that on the 2008 Rogue because I did a little test. So when I get to doing the brakes, rear brakes, all the parts just arrived today, I'll show you. I purposely sprayed some areas that were rusted on the 2008 Rogue, and I want to show you how that product has traveled. So these hinges will get changed. We'll POR, paint over rust, on this, and that's a urethane. This stuff is so good. You can beat it with a hammer once it's dried. It's amazing. It's an amazing product. And there's another product out there called Rockwood. It's equal. And again, it's what you like. I've worked with the POR. I really, really like it. I know its properties, where you can use it, how you can use it. And this is going to look excellent when we're done. So we'll show you that as well. Once this is all prepped out, we'll show you, give you a follow-up to prior to putting the windshield back in. But I'm going to be replacing the dash, so stick around. We're going to talk about that in just a few minutes. So again, this is the reason why the floor rotted out on the driver's side. I got to put a patch in there and seal it all up and do a nice job. This is what took it out. The water was continuously flowing behind the dash. This needed to be replaced. This wasn't a overnight leak. This is a process leak. Time. So we can get this thing out of here, thank goodness. I got to get the glass out of it, and then the rest of it can go for recycling. So till the next one, thanks for staying with us. Stay in touch with this Jeep TJ Wrangler Rescue because it's starting to come together now. I can do interior work very, very quickly, and that we'll talk about that in a minute. We're going to talk about that. What is it? I'm going to tell you what it is and show you everything that's on it. So don't go away. Like, share, follow us on Facebook. That's where you'll see reels and videos you won't find anywhere else. Like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. It's all free on our YouTube channel. Get your Car Connection merchandise and show it off. You can do that two ways. I always put the link for the Car Connection store in the description of every single video, along with our website. So you can connect with some fantastic family-owned and operated businesses that I give my seal of approval to. So be sure to let them know that you're watching the videos, that they're helping to provide for us, as well as you'll be dealing with some great people. So let them know that Car Connection or Motormouth sent you. And visit us at stevensvilleontheweb.ca. Click on the businesses tab to find us there. And there you'll see bloopers and outtakes. Thanks to Skippy. Be sure to leave her a comment. We'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you enjoyed the video, like I know you did, ring the notification bell.
Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on because we're coming to your house.